You know where is your destination?
No.
Europe.
Thank you.
Europe is this.
I planned to go, but it didn't work out. That's why I came for help. Okay.
Have you ever been here?
It's my first time.
It's first time.
Yes.
Welcome to Zimbabwe.
Thank you so much.
I would like.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nose Media TV. Kana iri first time yako kuya pano, please subscribe, comment, share, like, then more, turn on notification button because no upload any video you'll be notified. So once again, please don't forget to like guys, but no upload a video ready mukaramba mshilika video ready nenda kule. So please like Zakare. I bring you this latest video from Prophet Miracle Paul, so enjoy and watch. Thank you guys. May God bless you.
One day to visit Ivory Coast.
You are welcome.
So now we have a companion. He will take us to Ivory Coast.
You are welcome.
I would like to see Ivory Coast.
Yeah, Ivory Coast, they are good people. Even
they are good people.
If you don't know anybody, anyone will host you.
They will just accommodate.
Yeah,
like here. You see, we have accommodated you here.
Exactly. Thank you.
Hallelujah.
Okay.
What is the staple food in Ivory Coast? What's the?
We call it atike.
Atike.
Atike is made with cassava.
Okay, and how do you prepare atike so that we can copy from you?
Okay, we peel the cassava. We ground it and then we dry. After drying, we try to make some bullet, like small bullet.
Okay.
So you warm water in a pot and you put something, a steamer on top, and then you put those things inside and you cover. So the steam will cook the cassava.
All right.
Yeah.
In Africa, we are one.
Exactly.
So feel at home, okay? We are one. So you know the president, or you forget the president of your country?
My president is Alassane Ouattara.
Okay, you still remember, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, some other people, when they go overseas, they forget about home. You should keep on tracking the events that is happening back home. Even when you have 20 years in South Africa, you need to keep track of what's going on back home. What is the capital city of Ivory Coast?
The capital city is Abidjan.
Abidjan.
Yeah.
How would you feel when your kids, you said you have, how many kids do you have?
I have only one child.
You have one child, a boy or girl?
He's a boy,
He's
20
a boy.
years. Yeah.
How would you feel, say, 20 years from now, when your son just vanished in the sea and just sending you pictures from text saying, how are you, mom? How are you, mom? How would you feel 20 years from now?
It will be nice, but it will be painful.
It will be painful. It will be painful. Your mom is not well with you not coming home.
Yeah, she's always crying.
She's not well.
She's always crying.
Yeah, she's not well. It's good, huh? You go to see your mom. This is the time that God gave us these people. You know that all these loved ones that we have today, at one point God will need them back. So you better go and hug your mom, jump with your brothers while God is still allowing you to have them. Don't just stay in South Africa. You just need some other time to say, the will that I'm going back home, no matter I don't have anything, but I'm just getting back home to greet and to meet with other people. It's not about money. Some other people think that maybe if I'm get home, people will say, she has been in South Africa 20 years now, see. No, don't worry about that. You just need to get back home to see. You say the capital city is what?
Abidjan.
Yes, you need to see Abidjan. I think there's a lot of things that have changed in Abidjan, eh?
Very
yes. So don't just get old and die in South Africa. Go and see relatives, okay? Yeah. So I'm praying for you now that by the grace of God, God will provide you for the journey to go in Ivory Coast and come back in South Africa, okay? I want God to open